Hi everyone, for anybody that doesn't know me, I am Tobias Lilly, a senior technologist specializing in cloud management. I work in the cloud management business unit at VMware and focus on helping customers to drive digital transformation through the adoption of technology to build private, hybrid, and multi-cloud environments. For this video, I wanted to change the pace a little bit. So virtualization completely transformed the technology industry over the last 20 years. And most people know VMware mainly for being the company that enabled that change. But now, VMware is as broad as it is deep, with many best-in-class solutions and technologies. And so today, what I want to do is start to summarize what we do across VMware, across the board, but from a business value perspective. And I love technology. Technology is all well and good. I'm a technologist. But if there's no business value for using it, then it just becomes a fun science project. Almost every client I've worked with is focusing on embedding technology into their products or creating products from technology or software. Either way, this is what we call digital transformation. And part of doing digital transformation means starting to think about how you can continue to operate the existing technology that you have whilst doing this transformation. So, that technology that's currently providing services to your customers. Part of my job, means doing a lot of research, keeping up to date with technology and industry trends and news and all that kind of stuff. And I was reading recently that 70% of these digital transformation initiatives in general fail. And that number's pretty high, but it's not that surprising if you kind of dive into it and start looking, because you're going to need to support and manage different types of apps. The way your end users consume technology is starting to change. You're going to want to leverage different cloud platforms, many potentially. It's a really complicated and complex challenge. At VMware, what we do is provide this digital foundation to help enable application or software-driven innovation. We're going to help with the integration of emerging technologies into what you do, while still maximizing the return on investment that you've done in people, processes, and systems. We're going to focus on helping you increase revenue by accelerating innovation, reduce costs dramatically by increasing the efficiency of how you do things. And vSphere was a big part of that, but it goes beyond that with new solutions for public cloud operations, for example. We're going to help ensure that your brand is protected by ensuring security and compliance. And then finally, help you attract and protect talent by allowing your workforce to work more flexibly. So all of this comes back to our mantra of any app, any device on any cloud. And what that really means is, build, run, manage, connect, and protect all of your traditional workloads, your cloud workloads, container workloads, apps, legacy apps, COTS apps, existing and new. And as part of that, help you empower your staff to choose how they consume those apps as well on their choice of device with a secure digital workspace wherever they are. We also want you to be able to choose whichever cloud environment makes sense for your business. Hybrid might be edge, public cloud, 5G, multi-cloud, and have it all protected with intrinsic security across the board, because I'm sure everybody knows security is everything in today's age. These business outcomes aren't especially new to VMware. 100% of Fortune 500 companies, for example, choose VMware infrastructure, and they're saving billions of dollars in total in savings. Forrester and IDC consistently recognize us as the market leader, and we've got the highest net promoter score of over 60 vendors in the industry. Keeping customers happy, and our clients and the people that we work with every day, is what drives us as a business and also individually. And one of the reasons I love working at VMware is because the culture internally reflects that too. So back to the challenge. As I said, I work with many different clients, and these span across many different industry verticals as well. And there's some real challenges that I see that span across all of them. And really it's, operations teams who are battling against all the odds every single day. Added complexity, less budget, struggling to keep the lights on, let alone having, the scope and focus to look at business value. So what we do, and one of the things I really love working with customers to do, is help them deliver this digital foundation. And as they go through the process, they can then start saying yes to more, developer and DevOps use cases. They can actually scale their digital footprint. And I've even, at the output of this, seen IT departments take the brand of their VMware multi-cloud platform around the world, showing the rest of their organization what's possible. And we do this across all verticals, whether it's finance, healthcare, retail, the list goes on and on. For example, I've seen telecoms companies that have dramatically increased their speed to market, leveraging this VMware Digital Foundation to deliver services in new geos, and then getting the market share and competitive advantage from this new agility. So that was everything I wanted to go through today. Hopefully this has been useful. Feel free to share it with anybody that might be interested. And I encourage everybody to occasionally take a step back from the product names and the buzzwords and the software features and functions, and really think about the business value that you can drive from this technology. That's the way that I believe we're all going to be successful in this new world of digital transformation. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.